What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Aristotle Investments. I'm glad to have you guys here because what I am going to do is break down my winning strategy that I used to hit nearly 10 of my last trades. So I hit literally 8 trades in a row in my group chat, and I called all of them. And what I'm going to do is explain my rationale on why I got in these trades so that you can learn and earn money and use this to better your future in option trading. So let's get right into it. We're going to head over to the charts, and we're going to head over to the spreadsheets, balance sheets, whatever I can show you guys to help you guys know exactly how I'm getting this money. So please keep watching because you do not want to miss these gems. I'll right into it. So the first trade that we have is Nike. All right, check mark. So if you go into my chat, researched NKE plus my name, you'll see where I called it, and it was here in the small account challenge. So usually what I do is I tell them I'm going to tell you what I'm getting in my small account challenge, but I also get in these in my large account. So as you guys can see, we got in 2 contracts of Nike. We go to trading view, type in the name NKE, and here we go, folks. What do we have here? Support. So support is your floor, resistance is your ceiling. This green line is support. We have support right here in confluence with a oversold level. So we bought Nike at this green line and took profits up here, right? So that is the main rationale why we got in Nike. And it's just easy money. And I let you guys know during the small account challenge why I got in. I literally let them know the same thing. See that? This is where we got in. We got in Nike for this reason. We stayed patient, made bank. Okay, folks. And then the second one is Chewy. So as you can see, I made well over 5 figures just off Chewy. So we can go here to this one and type in the word Chewy, and you'll see where I got in. So we made 133% on Chewy. So we go in and figure out where did I first call it. We can just jump right to it. I said so much about Chewy. And all on Stock Sundays. So if you watch Stock Sundays, all right, so if you come in and watch Stock Sundays, you guys will know I've been calling Starbucks. That was another one that we're going to go over, and I'll go over that too. But yes, Chewy right here. I said 4 cons of Chewy, right? And we banked 133%. That was March 27, but we held it for a minute. We held this bad boy for a minute. So that's another thing. I help you stay in longer, folks. So if you have a problem with staying in longer, that's what we do. We had bullish divergence though on Chewy, which I give you guys the rationale, of course, in the small account challenge for most of my plays, just so you can learn and earn. And we banked on Chewy all the way up to this green line. We got in at the bottom here. So we're always sniping bottoms. Remember, folks, I like to buy low, sell high. And we literally sold on the perfect day and at the perfect line. And we made 133%. Look at that, folks. That's where we got in. We got in at the bottom of Chewy. All right, folks. So the next one is McDonald's. So Chewy is simply bullish divergence. And if you guys don't know what bullish divergence, first let me go to Google. And then we'll go to McDonald's. We'll type in bullish divergence. They already know what I'm looking for. We go to images, and there we go, folks, where the stock is moving, pointing downward, making a lower low, but the indicator is making a higher low. So this is bullish divergence, regular divergence. Go over here to the bullish side, and there we go. Stock making a lower low, indicators making a higher low. And as you can see, stocks are making a lower low, indicators are making a higher low, slanting upward, right? So that is why we got in Chewy. And yeah, it's a great play. Let's go to McDonald's, Mickey D's. So another one that banked that we got a lot of money from. We just got out yesterday. So McDonald's was a simple third touch of support. So it's following this great trend line. And that box area was the zone that I wanted to buy in, and we banked right here at this McDonald's. So that's why I told them we're getting in as well. So 1, 2, 3 touches of support. And that is why we got in McDonald's. Let's delete all of these indicators so you guys can really see the chart. And there you go. That's why we got in McDonald's, following the trend, the third touch of support. So I love that area. I even drew my box here. So whenever I draw a box, I usually buy in and scale in at that zone. And it's simply a third touch of support. I love the trend on McDonald's, profitable company. If we go and look at Yahoo Finance, type in McDonald's, balance sheet looks good. We go to financials, and there you go, folks. Year over year, money itself, 2022. So I like their balance sheet, still a profitable company that's generating more cash flow. Lots of real estate too. So, lots of equity in this company. They are a real estate company, so they own lots of the buildings, and they also let people franchise, of course. So we all know that. So let's go over more of these stocks that I went over. Let's look at McDonald's real quick, where I called it. So I've been giving out plenty of updates on McDonald's. There we go. Here it goes, right here. I'll be adding one more if we go down one more dollar, but we never did. But I still got in my large account as well. So we end up pretty much banking on all of these, as you can see, right? So I tell you what I'm buying, and then I show you proof of what you bought, okay, folks? And we banked on this. And my birthday was 4/12, so that was dope. Right before my birthday, I'm calling some bangers. I'm talking about bangers, and I'm still on a crazy winning streak, nearly a 10 stock winning streak. So it's pretty dope. But what I like to do is I like to take my time. But yes, that's why we got a McDonald's. Let's go over the next one, BNY. So I decided to buy healthcare on the dip. So remember, we got in energy stocks. BNY right here. So we got in BNY. All right. And we can go over why I got in BNY. And I got in simply because we had a nice key level of support here. So if I draw my support line, 1 bounce, 2 bounce. So for one, we're at a key level of support. I really didn't like, if we draw the line all the way across, horizontal line, see that nice little confluence area that likes to bounce upward around this area. So I decided to get in again, and we took profits right before earnings, got what we needed out of it. So that's why I told my chat, just get out of it. We got out of it yesterday, which is dope because it tanked today. So we got out of it at the top of this candle for about 60% return-ish. So we got in BNY for that reason. Then we got in, so that was 60% return. Then we got in Johnson & Johnson, Starbucks. We got in a lot of stuff. S-Bucks. Let's go to Starbucks first. I explained it on Stock Sundays why I got in this. So this is episode 44. Episode 43, I would say the 40s. Go watch the 40s episode from like 41 through about 45, and you will see most of these stocks in there too. So I do give these plays away for free. So BNY was for that reason. It was oversold on the R side and near support. So I was like, why not take the risk? We took the risk and we won like nearly instantly. Johnson & Johnson was the most instant return one though. I'm talking about we sniped the bottom of this thing. This thing was oversold at a key level of support. So pretty much most of these had similar setups. And yeah. And it had a pin bar here, which is this candlestick right here. So I really love that pin bar at support here, pinned against support, and it ended up working out. If you don't know what a pin bar is, I'll show you guys because I know I want to explain this in layman's terms. Pin bar, and there you go, folks. Right here, bearish candle, bullish pin bar, and it's almost like a wrestler or a slingshot. You know, a wrestler going past the ropes and then going to knock someone out. That's kind of how I view this candlestick pattern, one of my favorite candlestick patterns. So yes, I still do play candlestick patterns. Nice pin bar set up here, and it exploded, and we banked on that. Yeah, just overall going crazy. So we went over McDonald's, we went over Starbucks. Let's go over Starbucks. We have not gone over Starbucks. And that's literally our last one. And you guys pretty much have every reason why I got in every trade, which is dope. So Starbucks, kind of different. Third touch of support again. So similar to McDonald's, but in reverse. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, right? So just following this nice little support trend line that it had. And I believe it was oversold on the RSI again. So, you know, buy low, sell high type of thing. And we made bank on that as well. So those are the trades that we got in, the last 7 trades that I took. McDonald's, Starbucks, Johnson & Johnson, Nike, Chewy, all of these great stocks. And I'm showing them right here that I made. And look how many GOAT symbols we have, man. We don't play. We don't play. We haven't missed in nearly 3 weeks. So that is Honey Drip for you. If you guys are interested in joining, sign up. But before you do anything, go to read first, follow the 6 steps. Take a day or 2 to learn the basics if you're new. So I set this up for new people. Go to read first. If you follow these 6 steps, you're good. I shouldn't have to even explain a lot because I did it. I broke it down so anyone could come in and get started. All right. So if you're interested in get started, it's another stream of income. You can come to the gains channel and you can see that I'm no fake. All right. So these people are making money and they will tag me saying, hey, I made money. This person made 1,000 in one day. This person had DraftKings, so they end up making money. So I guess my monthly is paid for. See what this person doing. Account up 90% in the past week from our signals. See, look, 3 weeks in and made more money than I lost over the last 2 years. Think about that, folks. 3 weeks in trading. So you're asking me, how fast can I teach you? Look at this person. Simple as that. And I'm pretty sure they were on a trial, which is the package I'm going to sell to you guys. Just $35, as you can see. Just 2 weeks in, folks. 80% year to date. Another person. Account up 80%. I mean, everybody's making money. HD, those are some of the new swings we're in. See that? Home Depot, everybody's getting money. So it's pretty dope. Starbucks, everybody getting money. You know, you come in here and you're going to make money or at least learn how to make it yourself. It's cheap. Sign up. I don't see why you wouldn't. Remember, how will you survive during the next pandemic? So this person's consistently making money. So they may or may not have to clock in. They got a little bit more work to do. And we love to help those. We have a mentorship. Come in, go to read first, follow the 6 steps. And come in the gains channel if you need, you know, inspiration. Like this person, another person banking off McDonald's. These same calls that I'm telling you I told people to get in, 2,600. All right. So, hey, the proof is in the pudding. Everybody printing in Honey Drip. You can go down the gains channel. I got plenty of testimonials of who I am and what I say I do. You know what I'm saying? It is straightforward and simple. If you're interested in signing up, sign up. I will pin the link in the comments and I'll put the link in the description. It's your boy Aristotle. Don't miss out. Make sure you get another stream of income. The sooner you start, the better. So if you start literally today, you will literally be one step closer to your dream of financial independence. And that's all I want to do, is save you guys from working a 9-to-5 your whole life or having another stream of income while you travel or do anything you want to do. It's your boy Aristotle. God bless y'all. Have a great day.